Hello everyone, my name is Michelle Johnson. I'm the Events and Catering Manager here at the Club at Creighton Farms, and I'm here to show you our super camp secret of making ice cream in a bag. You will need a few ingredients, and you probably all have them in your house. The first thing you'll need is a large Ziploc bag, and then you will need two smaller bags. A sandwich bag and a quart bag will work the same. You will also need a towel because your hands might get a little cold. 4 cups of ice, and this will go into your large bag. 4 tablespoons of salt, this will go with your ice. You have a half a cup of milk with vanilla as well. I put vanilla in there already. And you also need 1 tablespoon of granulated white sugar. Now the first thing you'll do is that you'll open your big bag. You'll put your ice in there. And you're going to want to set aside and make sure you get it all ready. The next, you take your smaller bag. And you put your milk in. I have my vanilla in here as well. Next, you'll take your sugar and you'll add it in your bag with the milk. Now, you won't add your toppings now, you'll add them afterwards. You want to close your bag as tight as you can, only with a little air. If there's too much air in your bag, it might pop while you shake it. You want to close that. And what I like to do for mess-free purposes is to take a second bag and put your milk bag with sugar inside this bag and close it as well. Some extra security for your table. And what you'll do, once it's nice and shut, make sure it's very, very closed. You don't want any of the milk spilling out. Is you'll put it in your larger bag with the ice, and you'll add your salt to the ice. It helps to add it on both sides so it covers all of your salt. When you close this bag, you want to have a little air in here so you have some room to shake. And you will shake this for about 5 to 8 minutes or until you have the consistency that you like for your ice cream. I use a towel because it might get a little cold. You could wrap it. I like to keep the Ziploc front upwards. And you shake. Every so often you'll check it. You'll be able to check it by touching the bag. It'll start to feel a little clumpy at first, and that's all the milk getting cold enough to turn into ice cream. And it will take a minute. So this is a perfect activity for the kids to keep them occupied. We're almost there. You can also check by opening the bag. It's starting to get cold, but we're not there yet. Your milk will make bubbles first before it starts to turn into ice cream. Every so often, just make sure that all of your ice is around the smaller bag inside. And then just continue shaking. It helps to change direction that you're shaking so your arms don't get tired and you can have a little more fun with it. If your hands start to get really cold, you can put some gloves on. we're all done. So you're done with your ice bag. I'll just put it somewhere where it won't spill. You can keep your ice cream in the bag. It will help with some of the mess of bringing it outside. Always add your favorite toppings. I love chocolate sauce. And of course you have to have sprinkles. Or jimmies, for those who call these jimmies. And that's it. And enjoy your ice cream.